Alright, people, in the studios we got Dee Sanarkar, who just came in and we showcased her song, I Wanna Dance!
I wanna dance with you day and night. I wanna dance under the moonlight.
So catch the whole recording on Mixcloud and go check out YouTube. Dee Music Online!
With you day and night. I wanna dance.
इडीलिक रेडियो सुन रहे हैं आप इस वक्त काशिफ की आवाज है आपके साथ मौजूद एंड इट इज गुड मॉर्निंग शनिवार जहाँ पर हम लोग कर रहे हैं सैटरडे शोकेस यस सैटरडे का ये शोकेस का नजराना जो है नीलम लेकर आती है आपकी तरफ ऑल द वे फ्रॉम मेलबर्न एंड को प्रोड्यूस करती है मेरे साथ क्रेजी काशिफ जना मेरा नाम है एंड इस वक्त हमारे साथ स्टूडियोज में है द वन एंड ओनली डी सनागर
Hi everyone, thank you Kashif.
तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गली।
आज हम लोग शोकेस कर रहे हैं आपका गाना, ठीक है, विच इज योर ओरिजिनल सॉन्ग। बट आप लोग जब कवर की हम लोग बात करते हैं सो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता, स्पेशली रोमांटिक कवर लाइक अंकित तिवारी का गाना। It's a very big hit, right? People judge you, people say stuff to you. Okay, यार,
That's right.
यहाँ से अंतरा नहीं उठाया, है ना? मतलब ये बात होती है. So did you get any comments like that? And if you did, how did you actually deal with that?
It's tough. Social media can be tough. और बहुत सारे लोग कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म देते हैं, which is quite helpful. लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग खाली ऐसे ही कुछ भी बोल देते हैं. It hurts sometimes when people say things like सिंग करना नहीं आता है, टेरिबल आवाज़ है, टेरिबल चेहरा है, which is nothing to do with your singing ability or anything. So hurt होता है, लेकिन लोग you need to have a thick skin when you are doing something which is like in the entertainment industry. You need to have everything with a pinch of salt, क्योंकि अगर सबके बातों पे ध्यान रखेंगे तो it's gonna discourage you. So you have to take the positives with the negatives and just move on and then improve yourself, and that's what I've done. I try to improve myself every song I go further. ऐसा होता है कि कभी improvement थोड़ी hard होती है, क्योंकि of course if you are trying to do a song which is अंकित तिवारी ने किया हुआ है, it's quite hard to beat it. So yeah, that's our best effort. That's what I can say, and that's what everyone should do in life.
But I think that we totally love it, because when I was hearing you live in the studios, I was like literally about to say that I was having goosebumps, but वो वीडियो नहीं बनी थी. Right now I don't have any goosebumps, so I can't really show you in the video. But आपको बताते चले that no, you're definitely welcome. Now Dee, we are actually going to play your song, and इसके बारे में ज़रूर मैं बात करना चाहूँगा, because it turns out to be a very really good dance number, and you actually made the video here.
It is, yes, that's right.
Right, and so now going back to your song, उससे पहले एक और गाना सुनाते हैं, which is another cover by the way, ठीक है? अब I've got two covers, so you tell me which one should I play. One is Mahi Ve from Highway, which you actually sang, which is an A.R. Rahman song.
I love that song actually.
Really?
Yes, because that was my first cover song,
Okay.
and I've never done any covers before that song, and that has a special place in my heart. Because there is certain things that you do in life for the first time, and every time you watch that particular thing that you have done, it reminds you where it started. So yeah, I would like that song to be played.
And Mahi Ve has not been sung by any female, I think. It's a very male, like A.R. Rahman has sung it, right?
Yes.
So I think that you covering it and we listening, and all the Indian radio listeners जब हैं सुनेंगे Mahi Ve in a female version, that's going to be interesting. So चले काम करते हैं. You're actually saying something in the video as well.
हाँ, मैं कुछ बोल रही हूँ वहाँ पे. मैं that's my house actually in Perth, and I'm standing outside of my balcony and talking about it. So I was just introducing the song. Or the song is shot in Perth, around my area, around the house that I lived there, and it's very beautiful.
Really?
Perth is really scenic, and we tried to show some natural beauty from there in the song.
Oh my me, वैसे आपको बताते चले Dee Sanarkar is actually on YouTube, and her YouTube channel is Dee Music Online.
That's right.
That's so nice, Dee. Alright, so Dee का cover सुनाते हैं आपको Mahi Ve, another big singer, A.R. Rahman का cover उन्होंने किया है, and I actually really love this one, I guess.
Yeah, I love that.
धूप पानी पे बरस जाए ये साए
that's a beautiful view of Darling Harbour.
Ta-da!
I know, it is so awesome.
And there you
और
go.
मैंने पहली बात वही बोली कशिफ को कि क्या स्टूडियो है यार.
Awesome, guys. Studio बहुत ज़बरदस्त है. You need to come over here, right? And I think we've got a call. So let me take this call and tap into Hello Indian Link Radio. Let's hear D. Senarkar's song live on air on Indian Link Radio. Showcase for your song, which is called
I wanna dance,
Yay!
guys.
And we're gonna dance right here on Indian Link Radio. So I wanna dance. Why do you wanna dance? Like, why the song I wanna dance?
Oh, it has a very deep connection to me क्योंकि back in Perth, मुझे एक injury हो गया था. I had a back injury and it was quite severe, I would say. I had to stop work. I wasn't able to walk properly or sit down properly for for several months. About almost a year, and it was quite tough to get out of that situation because जब तुम काम नहीं करते हो, बाहर नहीं जाते हो, तो तुमको थोड़ा depression type आ जाता है. तो I was feeling those depressive symptoms, and like every night I used to go bed thinking कि मुझे dance करने जाना है, clubbing जाना है, दोस्तों के साथ घूमने जाना है, little things in life.
Sure.
And the pain was so bad because of the back injury. It affected my life. तो वहाँ से मुझे इंस्पिरेशन आया ये गाने का because I really wanted to go out, and I love music. I love hanging out outside and hitting the clubs sometimes. और तभी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि काश मैं जल्दी से ठीक हो जाऊँ.
Okay.
जितना जल्दी ठीक हो जाऊँ. And that's how the inspiration of the song came to me, and that's how I wrote the lyrics of I Wanna Dance, and it's basically showcasing that capture this moment in life. और तुमको जो करना है अभी करो because this is the moment that you want to live. So that's how the inspiration came, and that's why I wrote that song. And it did help me to get out of depression as soon as possible, so I could do the video.
Really?
And I flew from Perth to Sydney and got a production company, and that video was shot in Fox Studios.
What? Actually, been hardly a month now. Hardly a month because we're in
It's
December right
two
now.
weeks, yeah.
And the video has actually reached almost 100,000 views.
Yes,
More than
that's
that.
right.
100,000 plus views.
Yes.
What?
I am really, I'm really thrilled.
Really?
The response.
Wow.
I have self-produced the video, so
Okay.
बहुत मेहनत लगी है वो वीडियो में, और बहुत सारे सालों का सेविंग्स भी लगा हुआ है. As
आर्टिस्ट बनना आसान काम नहीं है.
आसान नहीं है, बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, लोगों को पता नहीं चलता है, लेकिन
Seriously.
बट एनीवे आई प्लान दिस ऑल फ्रॉम पर्थ क्योंकि मैं पर्थ में ही वीडियो शूट करने वाली थी, लेकिन पर्थ बीइंग अ स्मॉल सिटी आई डिडंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ रिसोर्सेस, सो द जर्नी बिगेन फ्रॉम पर्थ एंड आई रिसर्च इन पर्थ एंड मेलबर्न एंड एवरीवेयर, एंड देन इट एंडेड अप इन सिडनी and then I hired a production company who I had a stylist and a choreographer and about 40 people on board as a production team because I wanted to give it a shot. I wanted to make it as beautiful as I possibly can in my life because it was my dream project. क्योंकि डिप्रेशन में से बाहर निकल के ऐसा करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है.
It is.
तो मुझे ऐसा था कि I want to give it my all. और मुझे बहुत beautiful video बनाना है. तो yes, it started from Perth, and I had an idea of how it should look like. It needs to convey the message ke carefree dance karo, enjoy your life.
Dance, do the
Yes.
dab.
Yeah, so वैसा हुआ. There are 4 outfits during the video, and I love all of them. It gives a different personality and character to the song, which I really wanted to do. क्योंकि I'm a big fan of Rihanna and J-Lo, Priyanka Chopra. उन लोग के videos देखती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है why not I have more outfits, you know? So I gave it a shot. I had a little studio back at home in Perth, but then मेरे को नहीं आ रहा था करने को. I'm like, don't worry about it.
I can do this. I can do everything by myself.
Everything. I can't model, I can't sing, I can't songwrite. Let's just
पैसे कम बचाओ. Let's just कमा के जाओ.
टाइम बचाओ. अगर और टैलेंट रहता है ना लोगों में, I won't be able to mix and match as good as a
It gets a bit
professional would.
overwhelming as well.
Yes. So, guys, like and comment below. Indian Link Radio, it rocks with Kashif.
Video, how long did it take to shoot, and how was the schedule like? What was the production like?
बहुत क्रेजी था. एक वीडियो शूटिंग आसान रहता है, एक दिन में हो गया था because Fox Studios है and there were 40 people working on it, so एक दिन में शूटिंग हो गया था, but the preparation takes a long time, so it took like 2 or 3 weeks to actually learn the steps, and I wanted to showcase to people कि मैं like एक musician खाली music नहीं करता है, बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकता है.
Okay.
So I wanted to show that I can dance, I can like I can write songs, and I wanted to show give everything.
Okay.
So I met with the choreographer. और हम लोग ने बहुत सारे steps सीखे, and I sucked at it at first. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a dancer.
There you go. Beat.
True confession, and like yeah, लेकिन धीरे धीरे सीखा मैंने और अच्छा दिख रहा था वो, तो डांस प्रैक्टिस हो रही थी, तो it was couple of weeks of practice, went for shopping with for the outfits and everything, and meeting the directors and photographers and everything, so it did take a few weeks. The shooting itself खाली एक दिन में हो गया था, और editing के लिए बहुत time लगता है, तो
You saw the final product. Did you end up crying?
क्राई तो पहले से ही हो गया था. तो अभी तो नहीं, I didn't cry at
The very first time you watched the video.
Yes, I did love it. I did love the product, and but there are lots of tweaks and things like that you have to do till the end. So I was quite emotional.
Oh, that's so nice.
Thank you. I wanted to thank all the viewers out there for Indian Link Radio to give me the opportunity. And it's I am a fan of the Indian Link News.
Oh, okay.
I read it online, and thanks for the opportunity to come in the studio and मेरा song सुनाने के लिए, so thank you.
You are definitely welcome, Dee. I'm pretty sure from me and all the Indian Link Radio listeners who are watching us, listening to us, I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
चमकेगा, tight वाला सितारा चमकेगा. Don't worry about that. Okay,
Thank
you've
you.
done it. You've given your best, and people are looking at it, and people are loving it. In fact, I love it. So इसी बात के ऊपर, it was nice having you in the studios. I wish you all the very
Likewise.
best. फिलहाल, let's do your
Thank you, guys.
Saturday showcase of your song I Wanna Dance.
I wanna dance with you day and
Right
night.
now,
I wanna
Indian Link Radio,
dance
Saturday
under the
showcase.
moonlight. I wanna dance
Go, let's take it away.
with you day and night. I wanna dance until the sunrise. Yeah.
Whoa!
I wanna dance. Yeah.
Love it! Go on YouTube right now, T Music
Watch
Online.
my song, The Music Online. I wanna dance. I love you all.
Live like there's no tomorrow. Smile like there be no sorrow. Dance like there's no one watching you. Love me like you've never been hurt before. I don't wanna waste any moments anymore. So baby, grab me and we rock the dance floor. I wanna dance with you day and night.